Welcome to the Hare Truck Center virtual showroom. Hare Chevrolet is Indiana's #1 Chevy dealer, serving Noblesville and Central Indiana since 1847. This is a 2019 Chevrolet 5500 medium duty, regular cab, two-wheel drive work truck. This truck is equipped with a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine, your DEF on the tank on the passenger side, integrated trailer brake control, vehicle information display, 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, work-grade vinyl seats with bright red safety belts, assist steps. This truck is a 19,500 pound GVWR, 19.5-inch wheels. It's a 26,000 pound GCWR with single-piece frame rails with smooth top frame. It's an 84-inch cab to axle with a 165-inch wheelbase. If you have questions on this truck or any other Chevy product, give us a call at the number below or on our Facebook page at Hare Truck Center, or visit us on the web at www.haretruckcenter.com. Hare Truck Center, a dealer for your business.